Today I will show you step by step how you can change your domain on Shopify. Now, first of all, what we need to do is head to the bottom left hand corner, click on settings, and then once we click on settings, you need to go to the left hand sidebar here, scroll down and locate domains, click on this. That will then bring you over to this page. As you can see right here, this is my custom domain that has been given to me by Shopify. Now, if I want to customize this and change this, all I simply need to do is click on change to a new shopify.com domain. Select this right here, and then you can put whatever you want into this box. Now, once you've entered in whatever you want into this box, your custom domain, you can simply click on add domain. Once we select add domain, this will then add this domain to this right here. As you can see, my domain is now right here, primary for my online store. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can change and customize your domain on Shopify. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.